G'day, Vinyl Record Raffles Australia. Welcome to raffle 36 of mine. Tonight you are playing for Arctic Monkeys debut. All sealed, minty fresh, ready to go to a new loving home. Great album. Thanks very much for getting on board, boys. And yes, you are all boys tonight. It is a sausage fest, so we can be as dirty as we like. No chicks here, apart from me. Right, anyway, enough of that. We have 28 spots and 8 of you playing. So let's get stuck right in. Empty box and some chips. Alright, apologies if I'm sniffing a bit. I have some kind of sinus thing, but I'll try to keep it to a bare minimum. Alright, let's wrap. Number 22 is Ben. Number 13 is Ben again. Sorry about that, Ben. Number 5 is Ben. This is shithouse luck, Ben. Shithouse. Sorry, mate. You have one left. I don't even quite know what to say, except that I hope your next number is not out of the box. I did that to Ronnie Mack the other week. Number 9. Whew, Jake. Sorry about that, Jake, but yeah, happy for Ben, unhappy for you. You've got one left. 21 is Tate. Number 1 is Matt. 25 is Tate. 26 is Mitchell. 15 is Brett. 28 is Matt. 3 is Mitchell. 2 is Sean. 18 is Ben. Ben, you are done, mate. No McWin for you tonight. Thanks for playing though. Number 14 is Sean. Number 12 is Jake. And that's you done, Jake. Thanks for playing, buddy. Number 6 is Tim. Tim, you've got one left. 16 is Mitchell. Mitchell, you also have one left. 11 is Matt. Matt, you're done, buddy. Thanks very much for playing. 10 is Brett. Brett, you have one left. 23 is Mitchell. Mitchell, you're done as well, buddy. Thanks very much for playing. It seems we have 4 players left. Number 20 is Brett. Make that 3 players left. Sorry, Brett. Thanks for playing. Well, we may as well just have a little look. We've got Sean, Tim, and Tate. Sean, you've got 2 spots. Tim, you've got 1. And Tate, you've got 4. So, good luck to you all. There is no certain winner. Only one number wins, so 24 is Tate. Number 4, Tate again. Tate, you down to your 2 last spots. Sean, you've got 2. Tim, you've got 1. 17 is Sean. Okay, Sean and Tim, you've got 1 left. Tate, you've got 2. Good luck. 8 is Tate. Woohoo! I do love a level playing field. 1 spot apiece, 3 left. Yes, definitely 3. Good luck to you all. No prizes to 27, which is Sean. Thanks for playing, Sean. Tim versus Tate. The Battle of the Tees. No prizes, and bridesmaid to number 7, which is Tim Gordon. Thank you very much for playing, Tim. That leaves 1 spot left in the box, which is 19, which of course is Tate. Tate, you went hard. Thanks very much. It paid off. Doesn't always. Send me your postal details and I will get this in the post hopefully tomorrow, if not the next day, but very soon anyway. Thanks very much for playing, everyone. I'll see some of you in the next RAF.